Hello, it's Jim Tech Buzz. We're back with the Watch Ultra 2. Yesterday we did the 15 Ultra, or 15 Pro should I say, white titanium. And we have our Watch 2 now, and 49mm orange beige strap, and the latest from Apple. So let's unbox and have a look and see what the box is like this time around, if any difference. So you've got a nice package here, got this card up on top, booklet should I say, and you have got this little sleeve here with this piece of paper inside and other bits. So you've got Alpine, Ocean and Trail, and this will tell you what's on the watch, what's what and so on. Really no difference from the last version, and that's pretty much it. Just a little bit of a spec bump inside, and here is the strap and here is the watch. So let's have a look at the actual watch itself. And we've got Ultra Titanium case, 49mm, and you can see it there. This is raised off the top of the box, and let's get it out and see. We need to take off this end as well. Alright, so that's it now. Let's open up. So inside we have got our cable, and again this is braided like the iPhone's new cable, and it's USB-C and a small little puck there like so. And we have got the watch itself. So let's take this off here, and that's it there, up close. So you can see on the back here you've got your sensors and all that kind of stuff there, and your release springs for your strap, your rotating crown there, your button here, you've got everything on it there, and you've got the speaker here, and you've got another main button here. And that's basically it and what it looks like there. So we'll have a look at the strap next and see what that's all about. So this is the strap, and this is what we're going to get. So let's take that out, nothing else in there. So we can just pop all this stuff back in out of the way. And the strap will be just going straight on. And we'll get rid of that, and we'll get rid of this. Right, so this is a nice looking strap, and you can see how it works there. So we're going to pop on this band now, see what it looks like when it's on. So it's easier to get these on than off. Slide them around like so, and job done. So that's what it looks like there, completely set up. So we're going to take it off, test it out, the usual stuff we do here, and stay tuned for strap reviews and case reviews, and of course other stuff for the iPhone 15 Pro, which we've got in as well. And that's basically it for the moment. So any questions, drop them below. Yeah, stay tuned for cases and straps and accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro and stuff for this watch as well, coming on the channel. And stay tuned. I'll tell you how we ground this strap as well, how well it wears out, if it gets dirty too easy or stuff like that. We'll find out soon enough. But like I said, there'll be more stuff coming. Stay tuned. Any questions, drop them below. And that's it for the time being. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.